guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting video because I'm going to show you guys some of the exciting brands, makeup brands that are out there in the Philippines right now that are very hip, very talked about and sought out, and I can't wait to try them out for you. So if you want to know how I got this very simple, timeless makeup look, then keep on watching. So the last couple of months, my mom was on vacation to the Philippines, and I asked my cousin, who is a makeup artist, to kind of buy me makeup brands that are very popular, very hip brands back home. Whenever I refer to the Philippines, I always say back home. That is where I've been born and raised, and so I'm always craving for that childhood that I once had, and so I figured, why not try some makeup too, right? First off, I want to thank my cousin. She actually didn't want me to pay, and she gifted this to me instead. So I'm just so thankful and grateful to her for getting me all of this makeup. First makeup is a tinted moisturizer. This is by the brand happyskin. The color that I'm trying out is soft beige, and it's a little light for me, but that's okay. I love the coverage of this. It's very light though. I think this is going to be perfect for like the summertime when you want lighter coverage. Although what I love about this tinted moisturizer is that it stays on. So it really is very long lasting on the face. It has hyaluronic acid, so it's also hydrating. So that is my first impressions of this. Loving it so far. So if you are in the Philippines, guys, happyskin is another good brand, and their tinted moisturizer is a good one. The next item is by Blk Cosmetics Shimmer Jelly Multi-Pot. So I wasn't quite sure how to use this, but this kind of reminds me of like the jelly pots from ColourPop Cosmetics. And it's so bouncy, as you can see. Look at that. It's like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's so bouncy and so reflective. When I first saw this, I wasn't quite sure how to use it. Look at that. Look at that. I used it both as an eyeshadow and also as a highlight. When I first saw it, I thought it was a little dark, but it actually isn't. It's like the perfect pinky highlighter for my skin tone. And I do have it on right now. It is on my face. I put it on the high points of my face, so I've been really loving that. You know what? I'm gonna put some here too. It's very creamy, very blendable, but once it dries down, it dries down. I think the best tool to use are your fingers, especially with this type of jelly consistency. This is in the color Pearl, and I definitely agree. That really gives me that shine, that bling. I love it. The next item is an eyeshadow from happyskin. These two are from the same brand. So this one is just a single eyeshadow. It's a soft touch eyeshadow in the color Pop Quiz, and this is what it looks like. Very neutral. When I first tried it, I thought it was dark, that it was too neutral. But on the eyes, guys, it is so bright. This one shines brighter on the eyes than the Blk, if that makes sense. But this one is good for the face, and it's a great base for this eyeshadow. But even without this, which I tried it before without this was really, really good. Super creamy. There it is. Look at my eyes. Like, oh my gosh. And the more I add to it, the more it kind of brightens the eyes. Terry's Corner approved eyeshadow. Love it. The last items are lipsticks. Of course, we can't have a video without lippies, right? These two guys, again, from Blk Cosmetics. I have used a gazillion liquid lipsticks. This is one of the few liquid lipsticks that are matte and doesn't dry you out. So I love the formula. Even now, it almost feels like a tint. Like it's so light on the lips, but it's so opaque. The color is there. And I tried combining this color and this color together. This one all over in the color Brick, and then this one in the color Maple I put in the center of my lips. So I don't know if you guys can see that here in the demo, but I love these two. The applicator looks like a standard doe foot applicator, but it kind of curves up like that, which I feel like it gives the control, and it doesn't become too messy or extends outside of the lips. There's something about the doe foot applicator that makes it very user-friendly. It spreads so evenly on the lips. So that's the other thing. Some liquid lipsticks, like they just like one big glop on your lips, but this one, it's just an even layer as you spread it around your lips. It's just so easy to apply. Super comfortable. My cousin definitely knows my color. I love anything that's kind of brick, like deep mauves that have brown undertones. Let's go ahead and swatch it. This is brick. And this is maple. These two are amazing. If you are around the same skin tone as mine, these two colors, guys, if you can get it, get it. I love this natural look. What do you guys think? I mean, I love color too, but there's something about this that's very timeless and classic. So that is everything, guys. That's everything that I got from my cousin. No, you know I love you. Every now and then I get a treat of makeup from the Philippines from her, and I'm always super grateful and appreciative of that. And I'm so excited that I got to try. So if you guys are ever in the Philippines, the makeup brands that are amazing are Blk Cosmetics and happyskin. So that is everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxing here and there. So definitely stick around, join the family. Comment down below what types of videos you'd like to see next on my channel. And with that said, I hope to see you guys back in my corner soon. Bye.